Hello everyone. It's very easy knitting pattern for the beginners, and you can put on the jacket, jumper. Looks very nice and very easy. Two pearl, first one slip on, and then one pearl stitch, then one knit, then yarn over and knit the next one. So this one we have 3 stitches for the pattern. Next, two pearl, and then again pattern, one knit, one yarn over, and then knit one. You can see one hole is made here. Two pearl stitches in the middle, again pattern, one knit, yarn over, and knit the next one. So we will finish the whole row like that. Two pearl and the pattern, one knit, yarn over, and knit the next one, and after in the middle two pearl stitches, and I will finish the whole row like that. First row 1 is finished, and we finished with the two pearl stitches. So in the beginning, to knit, first one is slip on, and then we take the yarn to the back to knit one, and then 3 pearl stitches for the pattern, 3 pearl. This one we put the yarn over, 2 knit, 3 pearl, 2 knit, and we will finish the whole row like that. 3 pearl and 2 knit. This is the third row. 2 pearl, first one slip on, and then 1 pearl, then 3 knit, 1, 2, and 3. This is the pattern. Last time 1 stitch is increased. Now we pick up the last stitch over the 2 stitches and drop. So this one is hole is made, and this is a very beautiful pattern. You will see after. Next one, 2 pearl, then again knit 3 stitches, pick up the last stitch over the 2 stitches and drop. So we have the same number of stitches and the pattern is made. So we finish the whole row like that. 3 knit. You can see these are the pattern stitches. Pick up the last stitch of the 3 knitted and drop on the top of the other one. So this one is, so we will finish the whole row. This is the fourth row and the last row of the pattern, and we will knit the knitted. You can see the knit stitches, knit the knitted, and purl the pearl stitches on the back row, always like that. To knit, to purl, to knit, and 2 pearl stitches. Finish the whole row, fourth row like that. Fourth row is complete and the pattern is complete now. and we will repeat from row number 1 again. First one, just slip on, second stitch, 1 purl stitch, then knit 1, yarn over and knit 1 as we did in the first row. So we will finish the whole row like that, knit 1, yarn over and knit the next one. So we will finish the whole row like that. So the pattern looks like that. You can see here, so beautiful, so beautiful. And this one only 3 row repeat pattern and very easy for the beginners. You can see here.